What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Deathbed, aka one of the most popular TikTok songs right now on TikTok on the good old uke. But as always, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to hit the red subscribe button below. It looks a little bit like this. Click it, it'll turn gray. Also, if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, make sure to hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon. And finally, the most important thing, I want to love you forever. I feel like I love a few of you already forever, but make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That would help me out a lot and help this channel grow and have other people find this channel. And that's how we get to create more content. So give this video a big old thumbs up if you want. So now that all that promo stuff is out of the way, let's go ahead and learn this song. So this song is pretty simple in that it only has 4 chords, and those chords are C, E minor, F, and last but not least, F minor. If you're like, Ricky, I know how to play those chords already, let's go into the strumming or the mini play along, I got you. I'm going to go ahead and put a skip to right here. So basically you can skip to whatever section in the video that you want. Also, I do want to note that I did do a full play along for the song. I think it sounds awesome. Hopefully you'll check it out and give it some love. I'll put it right here, also link in the description and in the top comments. But yeah, skip to whatever section that you want. But if you're like, Ricky, I don't know how to play a C or an E minor or an F or an F minor, help me. Don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're going to go step by step and where to put our fingers for each chords, and then we're going to talk about strumming next. So if you want to learn the chords, then just keep on watching. One thing I do want to talk about quickly before we talk about chords is how we number the strings and the frets. So if you're like, Ricky, I didn't know we number the strings and the frets, well, this is definitely for you, so listen up. So let's pick up our uke, and the top string is going to be the 4th string. The next one down is going to be the 3rd. The next one down is going to be the 2nd. And the last one at the bottom is going to be the 1st. So it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let's look at our fretboard, and you can see these lines right here. This is going to be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So if you need a little bit more time, just take a look at your uke. You can pause this video, take a look at your uke, get really comfortable and sort of memorize the numbering of the strings and the frets, and then press play and let's talk about the chords. But one thing I do want to note about this uke is that I do have low G D'Addario strings on here, so it basically just gives it a little bit of a deeper sound. So if you're like, Ricky, I don't have a low G, I only have a regular strings, I've never changed them out, I don't know what strings there are. Don't worry, if your uke is tuned correctly, all these chords will sound just as good on your uke as it does sound on mine. But because I like just having a little bit of a deeper sound, I put the low G on this uke. If you do want all the information to the strings, to this uke, to everything, I'll leave a links in the description below, so definitely check those out. Those will take you to the exact page where I bought all this stuff. So if you want to go check it out, link in the description. But with that out of the way, let's talk about the first chord, which is the C chord. And how I play this chord is I take my ring finger and I place it on the 1st string, which again, remember, is the bottom string. 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord we're going to learn is the E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a little bit like a staircase going down. How we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to learn is the F chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then I take my middle finger and I place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is an F minor chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to place it on the 4th string, 1st fret. Then I take my middle finger and I place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then I take my pinky and I place it on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords for this song. If you do need a little bit more time getting comfortable with the finger positioning for each chord, I highly recommend that you pause this video and just really practice the finger positioning for each chord. Also transitioning between each chord, because we're going to talk about strumming next. Alright, so we made it to the strumming portion of this video. There are actually two different ways we're going to strum in this song. So the first part, which is the don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. That part, we're basically going to do a down, down, up, down, up strum. So you're going to do that strumming pattern twice for each chord. So it's going to go, don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. So again, the strumming pattern, we're going to put our C chord down, is down, down, up, down, up. So that is the strumming pattern that you're going to play for that section. And then when he does more of the rapping, it's going to be, yeah, I don't want to fall asleep, I don't want to pass away, I've been thinking of the future because I'll never see those days. So again, you're going to be plucking all the strings up, and then you're going to hit down. So again, it's like, I don't want to fall asleep, I don't want to pass away. So it's pluck, down, down. And then next chord, pluck, down, down. And then you go to the next chord, pluck, down, down. And then the last chord, pluck, down, down. So again, the strumming pattern for the first section is down, down, up, down, up. And you're going to play that strumming pattern twice for each chord. And then in the more rappy, talky part, it's just going to be a pluck, down, down. So again, it would be a pluck, down, down. So those are the two different ways that you're going to play this song. Of course, you can always just do a down strum and it will sound just as good whenever you're changing chords. Strum down and it will sound just as awesome. If you want to simplify the song, I highly recommend just to kind of play it at your own pace, at your own level. But yeah, that's how you play this song. So let's talk about how everything gets put together in the mini play along. Again, I did a full play along, which I'll link in the description and in the top comments. My nose itches. But yeah, let's go ahead and look at the mini play along for this song in 3, 2, 1. Don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and go out of bed. I don't want to fall asleep, I don't want to pass away. I've been thinking of a future cause never see those days. I don't know why this happened, but I probably deserved it. I try to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying for forgiveness, you've been praying for my health. When I leave this earth, hoping you find somebody else. Cause yeah, we're still young, there's so much we haven't done. Getting married, start a family, watch your husband with the son. I wish it could be me, but I won't make it out of this bed. I hope I go to heaven so I see you once again. My life was kinda short, but I got so many blessings. Happy you were mine, it sucks that it's all ending. Alright, so congratulations, you now know how to play Deathbed, aka one of the most popular songs on TikTok at the moment. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, what are you doing? Click that red subscribe button below. It looks a little bit like this. Click it, it will turn gray. Also, if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, make sure to hit the bell icon, not the subscribe icon. Hit the subscribe icon and also hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon. And finally, if you want, you can follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. We've reached 54,000 Instagram family members, which is absolutely insane. So I would love for you to join. If you do, add me on Instagram, send me a DM letting me know that you came from YouTube. I would love to talk to you, and let me know if you have any questions or anything, and I would love to talk. Let's chat on the Instagram. I was gonna say in the DMs, but that sounds a little weird. But yeah, add me on Instagram, let's chat. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, again, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Tell all your friends to thumb this video up, because that would really be helpful. So anyways, I will see you in my next video. Bye.